You know what time it is? It's proposal review time. This one reads, "Hi, let's reach a high standard level together. 3 reasons why I can help you on this. I'm a 100% job success career freelancer with a big number of 5-star reviews. I'm also experienced in the casino slash bets niche. I already wrote for blah 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 casino and other places. You can check these and other Portuguese writing jobs in my portfolio, and then there's a link to a Google Drive folder. There you will see my experience writing in different formats for different publics. I'll follow your instructions and requirements, attending 100% to the necessary details. To know me more, be sure to check my profile here on Upwork. I'll be happy to answer any doubts. Thanks for reading my proposal." Now, I think we have a great start, but let's see how we can make it better. First off, I would think of the first few lines in your proposals and I would make them count. And that's because it's what shows in a little preview. When the client is looking at all the freelancers that applied, only the first few lines of your proposal actually show, and that may influence if they click on it or not. So whether they click and view your proposal or just skip past it and ignore it, it's all in the hands of your first 1 to 2 lines. I would probably start with a hook of some sort, something like, "Hey so-and-so, I'm a copywriter with experience in writing for casinos and I'd love to help." That way, you state the most important part, which I think is the fact that you have experience in a niche right away, so it kind of makes them want to read more. I also like that you give them reasons to hire you. I probably wouldn't be so direct. I would probably just state the reasons without saying that I'm going to state the reasons. And plus, from your 3 things that you list here, only one of them I find really valuable, so I would just delete the rest. I think it's kind of fluff. So honestly, my suggestion to you, once again, you know I like to keep proposals short and to the point because clients are busy. So essentially, I would just start with your experience as a hook, as we've seen before. Then I would share your portfolio or samples of work, preferably the ones that are most relevant to this job. And then I would just end with a call to action to either visit your profile for more information or to actually DM you to book a call or talk more about the job. Now, if you want your proposal to be reviewed right here on the channel, I'll have the link down below as always to where you can submit yours to be reviewed right here for free. And in the meantime, check out this other video that I did right here on another proposal review, and I'll see you right there.